my name is Siena Beauty. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if not, welcome back. So what I'm going to be doing is making these 2 to 5 minute videos. Hopefully, we'll see what happens. Each video is going to specialize in just one specific topic about makeup. So whether it's going to be about foundation or brows or eyeshadow, eyeliner. But first what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how I do my foundation. So I've made a video previously to this and it wasn't about how to apply foundation. It was more about which foundation is right for you. So I'll link that video in the description box below. You can check that out if you're curious how to find the right color or the right kind of consistency. So if you're interested about that, check that video out. But yeah, so this video I'm going to be showing you how I apply my foundation. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so foundation. I got this new foundation. I am so happy. It is awesome. It was Tati approved, so you know it's good. She recommended this and I tried it out and it's actually really good. And the best part, it's affordable. It's drugstore. So the foundation I'm going to be using today is the Infallible Pro-Matte by L'Oreal. And it's apparently supposed to be 24-hour wear. I don't know if anything is really 24-hour wear because first off, who's up for 24 hours? Who sleeps in their makeup? I mean, I know there's people out there, but you really shouldn't. So I'm going to be using this foundation today, and this is in the color 101 Classic Ivory. And it's supposed to be a Demi-Matte Finish. So I have used this once before and it kind of dried down to a powdery consistency. That might sound scary, but it actually was really nice. So the first thing you want to do is wash your face and then apply your moisturizer, or you can just use a primer. They're basically the same thing. You're just kind of priming your skin. I personally think it makes the foundation stay longer and makes your skin, the texture, look a lot nicer. So once you've applied your primer slash moisturizer, you're just gonna go in with your foundation. I'm just gonna put it on this silicone sponge that I never use because they're stupid. I just did about that much. You can always get more, you can always use less. It really depends on how you apply it. I'm gonna use, this isn't a beauty blender, this is the knockoff brand. It's by Sonia Kashuk. And what I'm gonna do is go wet this so that it expands and it just makes your foundation look better. Okay, now that my beauty blender is expanded and wet, we are going to go into the foundation and we're just gonna pat this on my face. Don't worry about the under eye area because we usually go in with a concealer for that. This is a crucial step. You want to make sure and get down your neck and below your chin. This helps disguise that line so there's not a straight line here that makes it look obvious that you're wearing foundation. So really what I'm doing is I'm just patting this all over my face and blending it in. So the hardest part about foundation, I think, is blending it in the hairline. There's really no good way to do it. Just get a little bit on your beauty blender here, and then I pull up my hair and I just put it right on my hairline. It's okay if it gets in your hair because you can always take it off with like a wipe or something. Also a good way to disguise that is you can take some bronzer and just put some bronzer up there, and it really helps. Alright, so nose. Nose is also one of those tricky areas. You kind of just have to do this and then you really need a point or something to get around your nose. I feel like the nose is the one area that always seems to rub off on me. So really making sure you do a good job here. It's good. Okay, so now once you have pretty much a full face, I take whatever is left and anywhere I think needs some more coverage, I will just go back. So my chin is somewhat red, so I'm just gonna cover that up. And I don't have perfect skin, so any acne areas, I'm just gonna cover up a little more. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna take the rest, what is on here, and blend it down my neck, and blend it down my neck, and now go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just some tips. So when I was first starting out with makeup, I was watching so many YouTube videos on how to get your foundation to look perfect, and everyone just seemed to have perfect foundation. Every time I did it, my face looked awful. The texture was awful. I had bumps everywhere, and I'm gonna tell you what I discovered. So the secret is make sure your skin looks good. I know you're trying to put foundation on to make your skin look good, but really you need to make your skin look good before foundation. Now if you're first starting off with skincare and stuff, your skin may not look good, but that's okay. You'll get there. So I highly recommend fixing your skin problems first and then your foundation will look good. It worked for me at least. But also, if for some reason you can't get your skin to look good first, learning these tips on how to make your foundation look good. If you have oily skin, using a powder, but if you have dry skin, don't use a powder. Like, there's some things you need to know in order to make your skin look good for you. Yeah, if you guys want me to make more videos on how to make your skin look perfect, let me know. But basically, this is the basics of how to do your foundation. These are just tips that I recommend, is using a beauty sponge of some sort, a foundation that matches your skin tone, and priming your face. That's really what this video is all about. But yeah, so my next videos, we're gonna go more into contour, concealer, blush, highlight, all that stuff. So if you wanna watch that video, go ahead and watch the next video. But for now, this is this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. So I will see you in my next video. Bye!